What are you having for your tea party?
Ice cream sandwiches.
Oh, who all came?
Mr. Cow, Baby, and Killian Walker.
Oh. Hi, buddy.
Oh.
You having fun at your tea party? Well, that's good.
See my baby.
Yeah, I see the baby.
Eating sandwiches.
Eating sandwiches.
Eating that sandwich.
Mm.
No! Clyde again!
Oh, Clyde's not invited to the party. Sorry, Clyde.
No dogs allowed.
Okay, say goodbye to everybody now.
Goodbye.
Say bye, bud.